Hey, I'm Mishka and we are back in the BWAL kitchen, and today we are making a super anti-inflammatory meal. We are doing a poached aubergine and fish curry. We're going to begin with our starting base, which is obviously going to be for most of the curries. We are tapping into our BWAL Pure Canola Oil. Now, the reason why this is an anti-inflammatory health product is because it does contain high amounts of omega-3. Now, there's been lots of studies that have shown that omega-3 plays a huge part in one's body in decreasing inflammation and working alongside all the other elements in the body that help to decrease inflammation and just optimize your health. So, into our pan, we're going to get it onto medium heat. Okay, so now we're going to start off, like I said, that Indian infusion, but not only that, it has incredible anti-inflammatory properties, also high in antioxidants. Our first one is mustard seed. Now this one is the yellow mustard seed, and how we actually activate it is we have to actually heat it up and crush it up. It's also really good for your bones. It contains so much selenium. And over here we have our other whole spice, which is our whole cumin seed. So these are going to go into the canola oil and they're going to start heating up, and as soon as they release some of their fragrance, we know that those are done. Now, I really love curry leaf is besides the aromatic flavor and that really depth of fragrance that it gives to any of your food. It's such an incredible health supporting ingredient. Oh, it is flattering. It means the onions are ready to get in. Okay, cool. Next, we are adding in 3 cloves of garlic, another amazing anti-inflammatory ingredient. Full teaspoon of your paprika. Our garam masala, also half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then again just a half a teaspoon of our salt. Okay, so while my onion is sauteing and softening on the stove, I am going to begin prepping my aubergine. Now we want to use 6 baby aubergine. If you can't find baby, it's fine, cut them in half, but you are going to create this kind of step. So first step is we're going to remove the stem, this little hat that they have on. And then from the other end, so from this end, basically we're going to create a cross. And we're going to make sure that we don't cut it all the way to the end. And then another cross, so it's like a plus sign. And then we're going to dissect in the other way, so through this area over there. Basically we want to create 8 sections. Everything here is nice and sauteed. I'm going to add just a splash of water. And as soon as this reduces just a little bit, I'm going to be adding in 3 tomatoes that have already been blanched and chopped, but convenience wise it's fine. You can also use a can of chopped tomatoes, and that we're going to get in with 1 tablespoon of our tomato puree. Okay, so while my tomato and onion mixture is busy reducing and just like cooking off in the pan, I'm going to need 1 tablespoon of a chili ginger garlic mix. And now our beautiful little aubergine flowers get dropped in, and they're going to be poaching while I move on to prepping my fish that's going to go in as well. Okay, so moving on to our next component and our final component. It's how we began with our canola oil, which is packed with the omega-3. We are going to end off with the same kind of pop of omega-3. I'm speaking about adding in a beautiful fatty fish. Okay, now we're going to add these slices into the poached aubergine mixture, and then we're going to basically just cover it with a 1/4 lemon. So you'll see me squeezing over some of this juice and then cover it with a little bit of sauce, and basically your curry is done. We do not want to overcook our fish, but we just want to let the sauce infuse into the meat.